Life has not been easy for Titus Fisher. For 5 years, he's been in love with Phoebe, who's showing no signs of being ready to settle down. Work is unrewarding. His parents are concerned that he doesn't know how to make good choices, and he never seems to be able to match up to his twin brother. So when Phoebe rejects his marriage proposal, Titus decides to leave home in Pennsylvania and settle in an Amish community in Kentucky. There, he meets Suzanne Yoder, who has problems of her own, and her friend Esther, who takes an immediate interest in Titus and seems like the perfect match. Suzanne's mother is desperate to see her only daughter married, but Suzanne's a disaster in the kitchen, ruining even the simplest recipes. Moreover, she'd rather be working in her grandfather's wood shop or outside in the garden than learning the expected tasks of an Amish wife. Helped along by the misadventures of a troublesome cat, Titus and Suzanne began to look past their own shortcomings and soon start to appreciate one another. But just as things seem to be moving toward romance, Phoebe shows up in Kentucky, forcing Titus to choose between the two women. Does Titus return to Phoebe, who has promised she will settle down? Or does he learn to appreciate Suzanne's unconventional qualities? Most importantly, will he ever be comfortable in his own skin as the person God crafted him to be? Find out the answers to these questions by diving into The Journey and travel not only into the heart of Amish country, but into the hearts of characters learning to love one another and themselves as well.